has over 90,000 recipes available currently, but if you're like me and you can only speak English and you have the English filter on, you can only see around 10,866 results at the moment. If you want to make something that is in another language, you remove the filter to see all the recipes, pick the recipe that you want to translate, go right click, translate to English, and that will translate the whole page into English. If you want to go further and save this to your created recipes, click add to created recipes. It will go back to its original language. If you right click, translate to English, it translates some of it. You will need to edit the rest of it, but in that way you can then save it to your machine and be able to use it in English. Hope this helps.